Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Blue Jays Gaming back here with another video, and today I am bringing some MLB 16 Road to the show. I am getting MLB 18 for Easter. That will be coming up soon, so I will be able to play that. Today I'm thinking I'm gonna make I think we're doing a season. Yeah, we're gonna do a season mode with a team. I'm gonna randomly pick a team, and yeah, I will see you in the gameplay. Okay, so I actually switched it from season mode. We're actually going to do a franchise mode, so this will be into a 30-to-1 rebuild series. If you don't know what that is, I go through all 30 MLB teams in a 3-year kind of spot, so this will be maybe it could be 1 to 3 episodes per team based on the time. And I go in, I rebuild them. After I get through the 15th team, I'll start the retooling. It's still going to be in the same playlist, except I just retool the team to help them get better. So the goal of this is to try to make it as far as you can and try to rebuild the team as quick as possible. So we're starting with the 30th team. As you can see, it is Twins. We will be starting with them. I always put ignore budgets on because I hate budgets. And this might be kind of cheap, but I'm just not a budget person. You might see some like Fortnite stuff come up there. Just kind of ignore it. So pitching rotation, we have this so far. Let's just actually end spring training really quick. Alright, so we're going to start at here. We're going to check our lineups. Keep Buxton, probably Rosario, Dozier, Sano, Vargas. You're 25. Might keep you. 23. Looking at this really quick. Okay, so we need a new catcher, we need a new right fielder, and probably some sort of designated hitter. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. So let's go to free agents really quick. Could get a solid relief pitcher. I don't want to pay him for 5 years. Here's a decent left fielder. I want to get Melvin. Yeah, let's get Melvin on the squad. We'll pay him 1 year, $4 mil. Alright, so we got Melvin, 1 year, $4 mil. Left fielder, right? Yeah. Perfect. Add a 40-man. Move to MLB. Okay. So we'll put him in. Who's left? Eddie. Can you play right? Okay, you can play right. Let's see. Arm strength 86, 77. So we're going to put you in right. Probably put him 6-hole. Yeah. I'm just going to do trades really quick. I think we might try to get Hughes out of here. Decent prospect. We'll probably get a quick relief pitcher or two. Ignore that. Let's see. Maybe make Gordon give us a little bit. Let's check right now. So we're looking for either a relief pitcher or some sort of decent starting pitcher. That's a good relief pitcher right there that I would take. But so far, I know. Ooh, Danny Duffy. Matt Duffy, my bad. Ooh, Estrada. Estrada's not bad. I think we're gonna go. Honestly, we'll probably go here. Ooh, no, we need a catcher too. Let me see this. He's decent. Like, yeah, let's. We're gonna get that catcher really quick. Actually, let's go to free agents. Should we go PV? Is there maybe a starting starting pitcher. Let's sign Jake Peavy to a 1-year, $6.2 million deal. Fine. Give me 2 years. Alright, so I think that's what we're gonna do. We'll add 40-man. Move to MLB. And then we can move Castro down to AAA. Alright. Where's PB? PB will go there, you will go there. He was starting pitcher, air relief. Alright. So I think that's how we're gonna keep it for right now. Scouts. We've got to hire quick scouts. Fire. Nope. Fire. Manager. Give me an A. Jeez, all these managers suck. Alright, let's find somebody who doesn't have. Oh, let's do this guy. So we're gonna, I think, go up to the. Let's stem up to All-Star break. Auto fix. We starting off very slow. Almost swept Cleveland. Got swept. Almost swept Cleveland again. Got swept by Toronto. Alright, let's go to the draft. We have 15 to pick. We need a starting pitcher. Probably. Best option. Okay. They say it's not going to be good. So let's go sign draft picks. Like, decent potential. Let's just sign these guys. Alright. Wait, no, we don't want to play. Alright, now let's go to All-Star break. Getting a little wins. We are just over 500 right now. We need to kind of... no. No. Let's kind of stay good. I mean, we don't have to make... Our goal, especially right now, let's see this. Nate Jones, okay. Our goal for right now is to finish over 500, I think. Skip. Cool. Alright, let's check stats. Santana, decent ERA, terrible ERA, and Santiago's by far. Oh, dang, Glenn Perkins is doing... Bye. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yikes. Okay. We need Melvin to start moving, dude. Alright. Yeah. Could be better. Definitely need it to be better. But let's sim to end of season. Come out with a banger, and then we just lost it. Okay, Dougal Herrera. Actually, let's just sim to here because I will. Okay, to 30. View offer. Let's check this. Mike Zanino. No, I'm not giving him back. Alright, we come out of the trade deadline looking decent, and now we're flat. Again, we need... Holy cow, we are doing trash right now. That was terrible. Alright. Let's just get to the end of the season. Alright, come on. Cool. Nah. We finished under 500. Did we finish? Oh, okay. We didn't finish last. The White Sox finished last. Dang. Ozuna had a ton. Let's check. Okay, he brought it. He never got it down. He never got it back. He stayed absolutely fire. He brought it back a little bit. Good. He had a really good season. Wow. Decent season. Not really anybody else having a great season. Yeah. So that didn't work. Let's just sim the off-season, some postseason. The Cubs defeated the Indians in the 2016 World Series. Well, that's what happened. Let's again off-season. I will have people. Alright. Manage contracts. Alright, so I'm going to do the manage contracts in the next video, and then we'll start the next season. So, yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it off. Hope you enjoy. Like for the next one, and I will